you scrapped, you were able to kind of get this private equity internship down in Atlanta. How big was the fund? Was it a small fund, another search fund? What was it?
No, $300 million industrial private equity firm started by Links Partners is the name of the firm. I love Links Partners. Second generation investor started it, Babette Hennigan. Incredible people. Non-paid internship, which I think you have to be ready to do if you really want to get into the industry. I did so well. I got at the time, huge, now pretty small bonus check and an umbrella. I still have that umbrella 10 years later in my car because I earned it.
You earned that umbrella. Yeah. So do you mind sharing what the bonus check was at the end of the summer?
$5,000 big dollars.
Nice. So put that into context of so you only earned $5,000 over the summer. Some of your classmates earned what, like 60,000, 30,000, something like that. Crazy. Yeah.
$60,000 depending. I mean, I was living in one of my fraternity brothers' basements and driving a 20-year-old Honda with no air conditioning in Atlanta.